What boneheads and backbiters alike, look at where we're at. Yes, beautiful spillway. And the mission is to go out yonder, catch one fish, and it's mission success. Are you ready? All right, let's roll. All right, we're here, man. We are here. Oh man, I used to swim here when I was a kid, dude. Every day after school. It's great. Now, will we catch a fish? I don't know. If you see this, then we caught a fish. We're gonna start out with a whale. 6-inch whale, baby. Big dog. Let's see if they're hungry. And if they ain't hungry, then we'll go to something smaller. Oh, fish on! Fish on! Oh, fish on! Yes! Success! Yeah! Awesome! Love it. Barely had him. Look at that. Awesome. All right, last ditch chance effort. Little bitty swim bait on big hook. Let's see what happens. Bathroom break. Oh, dang it. He was right there. Hit it again. Whoa! Hit it completely out of the water that time. Got something. Got something. Ah, yeah, got him. Look at it. Ain't he beautiful? Took me long enough. See, I told you he was big enough. Hey. You little shit. They'll bet anyone. And we're done, boys.